one of the remaining big name riders who was not signed is now back with his team, and that is Joe Shimoda back with the Honda HRC team. Now, honestly, this shouldn't be a surprise. After winning the SMX title, it'd be very stupid of them to let him go, but, weirder things have happened. But as far as I can see, now, correct me if I'm wrong, if you know something else, if you read something else somewhere, in the comments below, it's always helpful, that he will be racing the 2026 season for them on the 250 side of things. Now, the problem becomes, for him, there is absolutely nowhere to advance on that team. Obviously, the 450 side is full with the Lawrences. Jet Lawrence is going nowhere fast unless somebody tries to give him billions of dollars in the contract. He is, Honda is going to keep him for as long as they possibly can, and probably Hunter too, because he's shown that he's pretty solid. As a quote-unquote number 2 rider, it's not a bad second option or whatever you want to call it. So for Shimoda, it kind of sucks. You can do as good as you possibly can, right? And there's just nowhere for you to move. So at some point, it's going to be, hey, 3 riders or another team. He did post on his Instagram saying, quote, "Finally done deal. Proud to be announcing to create," I'm reading this verbatim, by the way. "Proud to be announcing to create new chapter with Honda Racing Corporation for next year. Team has taught me so many things, not just a bike stuff, but to grow as individual. Really excited to achieve big goals with the crew and to make progress. I love where I'm at. Also, thank you to all the people that is behind me. Love you guys." Now, this is great. Like I said, he's proven to be competitive, right up there at the top, whether you believe he earned the SMX title or not, whatever. To finish first, you first have to finish. So he did what he needed to do. Like, he won the title, he got the bonus money, he got a new contract. I'm assuming it's probably a bump in pay. But it's just, again, the problem becomes, where does he go? There is no moving into the 450 class with Honda with him, unless they bring in a third bike or, have some random, one of the 2 Suzuki teams are sponsored by different people. I highly doubt it. But, this is good at least. We know he's going to be sticking around. He's not moving over to MXGP or something like Vial, or back, I guess, to Vial technically. And Brandon Wilson, the manager of racing and advertising at American Honda, says, quote, "On behalf of everyone at American Honda, HRC Progressive, and HRC, I'm extremely pleased to welcome Joe back for another season. We're proud of the progress that Joe has made with his speed and confidence over the last couple of seasons, and he has played an important role in developing our CRF 250 RWE race machine. We're excited to see what we can do together or do next together." But even that says for next season. So it sounds like it's a 1-year deal. And who knows? Again, it's the problem of he can't move up into Honda. And obviously a lot of the 450 teams are full already. Obviously you're going to have a lot of people retiring soon. Tomac, Roxon, Anderson, Webb, semi-soon. There's a bunch of people, Barsha. So there is going to be seats coming. It's just going to be the question of how long and where. I don't know. But this is good news. Obviously, he's competitive. You always want to see the best guys on the best bikes with the best backing so that they can be the best they can be. Stupid statement, but it's true. On the factory ride, you get everything you possibly need to be, a factory rider and go out and win titles. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good for him. Where do you think you should go for a 450? Are you excited for A1? Are you watching any of the World Supercross, Paris Supercross, whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.